one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You've been so focused on getting through each day, getting through the circumstances of life. You've asked God for direction, for provision, for answers. But somewhere along the way, your expectation has narrowed down to just survival. You want to make it through. You want to get to the other side. But you've lost sight of the beauty of what the Lord is doing all around. And the Lord says, I'm bringing you into a place of beauty. I'm bringing you into a place of freedom and peace, where you will discover my goodness again, where you will see the beauty of my love towards you again. For I am the Lord who loves you, and I am the Lord who is filling you again. Open your heart this day, for I'm bringing my beauty and my grace into your life. I'm revealing my love to you in new ways. Open your heart, for I want to bless you. I want to bless you with my presence. I want to bless you with the beauty of my love, for I love you. I don't desire that you just come to a place of breakthrough, but I desire that you live life in its fullness, that you stop and that you see the beauty of all that I am doing for you. Draw close, draw near in this day, for I'm showing and revealing my love. I'm leading you into places of beauty, places of peace. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.